Hi everyone! If you ever wanted to create a stunning AI generated videos effortlessly, Artflow AI Video Studio is perfect tool. It allows you to bring stories to life with AI generated characters, backgrounds, animations, and voiceovers, all in just a few steps. These are the step-by-step guide to use the Video Studio in Artflow AI. First, open your Video Studio. Visit the Artflow AI and navigate to Video Studio. Create the new video to start your project by clicking it. Then write a script or enter a simple text prompt describing the scene you want to generate. For example, I'll be using a futuristic city with flying cars and a detective solving a mystery. Then choose an AI generated characters or create your own unique animated avatar. Pick a dynamic background that matches your story settings. Add a voiceover and animation. Use the AI generated voices to bring characters to life. Apply a preset animations to make movements look natural. Adjust the lightings, expressions, and motion to enhance the realism. Click the preview to watch a rough version of your AI generated video. And then once you're happy with the result, export the video in HD. Then, if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching!